So this is a quick summary of chapter 4, which is the communities. So what is a community? It is made up of a group of population that live together and interact with each other. Groups of different populations interacting with each other in a definite space and time. So let's define competition. Competition does not involve always the same species, but it is more severe among the same numbers of species because they have common needs. So what is symbiosis? Symbiosis means living together of two or more organisms of different species. It differs among population in a community. There are three types of symbiosis relationship. This is mutualism, parasitism, and commensalism. Community has some community roles, and the part of this were the animals, plants, and microorganisms. So plants serves as the producers, and these are living things that can make food in the process of photosynthesis, and they are also called as autotrophs. Animals serves as the consumers that usually do not produce their own food and called as heterotrophs. All populations that do not produce their own community depends on green plants. And decomposers or microorganisms are organisms that feed on dead plants and animals. There are classification of consumers. These are the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Herbivores are the animals that feed on plants and referred as the primary consumer. Carnivores are animals that feed upon other animals and also called the secondary consumers. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals, while scavengers are organisms that feed on dead organisms. Food chain. Food chain is somewhat a linear sequence of links in a food web starting from a trophic species that eats no other species in the web and ends at a trophic species that is eaten by no other species on the web. So that was food chain. And food web is a pattern of food chain that interlocks and forms a network. It represents an attempt to describe the numerous alternative food energy pathways in a community, most of whose members have more than one choice of food. There are three major types of ecosystem. These are the grassland, forest, and aquatic ecosystem. So, that was the quick summary of Chapter 4, the communities. Thank you.